Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Hotmail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hotmail. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to outlook.live.com. Here, tap Create Free Account and create a new email. Tap Next. Now create a password and tap Next. Then add in your first and last name. Tap Next. Add in your country or region and your birth date. Tap Next. Tap Next again and verify that you are human. And that's how you sign up for Hotmail. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.